It's snowing outside and we're gonna make salmon soup, for which we need about a pound of salmon, and I've cubed it already into bite-sized pieces, so about that size. And then I've got 5 Yukon Gold potatoes cut up bite-size again. A little bit of butternut squash, about 1.5 cups. Slice some carrots, some onions, about 1.5 cups. About 3 tablespoons of garlic. I've chopped up some parsley stalk right there, about 1/4 cup. And then I've also finely chopped some parsley leaves. So ready to go. Okay, so I've got a tablespoon of olive oil heating in the pan. And once that comes up to heat, I'm going to start with the garlic and then put the onions in there. So garlic about 10-15 seconds and then put the onions in there. Alright, garlic's in there, it's been there about 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and add the onions. And also the parsley stalk. And give it a stir. Alright, so garlic, onions, and parsley stalk have been there about a minute and a half. In go the carrots, potatoes, and the butternut squash. And I will probably stir this, get it all caramelizing for about 3 or 4 minutes. Maybe 5 or 6 minutes before I put the stock in. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and add some salt and pepper to this. Just a little bit for seasoning. The salt in the soup really comes from the stock. But I'm going to flavor the vegetables. So these have been going for about 10 minutes. On medium, sometimes I lower it to low if I see it's burning a little bit. And the edges of the potatoes are softening, so it's ready for the broth. And here's 4 cups of broth. And the dog wants some attention. Alright, so the pot has come to a boil now. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and cover it and turn it on low and leave it for about 20-25 minutes and check. So it's been about 23 minutes or so. Let's see. And turn the heat up. I'll try to crush one of the vegetables and see. Yeah, it's crushing. The butternut squash is smushing. The potato is too. Perfect. So I'm going to get this to boil, put a little bit of half and half in it to make it a white salmon soup, and then add the salmon. So it's come to a boil. I'm going to go ahead and add some half and half. And that's about 4 or 5 tablespoons, something like that. And once this comes to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and put the salmon in. Alright, I've added the salmon. And this shouldn't take more than, I'm going to say 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add the parsley in there too, but only about, I don't know, 3/4 of it. I'm going to leave the rest to garnish each bowl. So this is about a cup of parsley, and it's going to boil with the salmon for about 5 minutes. And the soup's ready. Just took this off the heat. What do you think?
Looks great.
Looks good, yeah. And the salmon boiled for about 4 or 5 minutes, if that. I'm going to dish some up. And put a little sprig of parsley on it. And serve it with some bread. and you can do a taste test in a second.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Delicious.
Awesome. Good. So Matt, salmon soup, perfect for a cold day outside. Hope you make it and enjoy it.